In this video, I am going to show you that how to use niche scraper for free. So first of all, log in from your Google account, and here I will close all my websites and simply I will search niche scraper. So when I search niche scraper, here I will also search SMailFro. So I will open it in another tab, and again I will search for niche scraper, and here when I click on the SMailFro, so I will see there is an option for a mail fro, like a temporary mail for me. So I will copy the mail, and here I will click on the login button and register myself. So they will ask for email, so the email I will copy from the SMailFro, and here I will type any password like I want to add here. Just copy the password and paste it here. So I will retype my password again. So now I will click on register. So my niche scraper is being activated on a temporary mail. So I will start searching the product which I like and want to run ads for to target the right audience. So just on the dashboard section, here I will choose hand product. So here I will search the keyword in the search bar section, the keyword which is my product related. So I will search for the product like electric nail clipper and other product, the product which I want to research on it. So I will search electric nail clipper. Here I will see a lot of products, but I want to find the product which I need. So I will go to another section, and here see I have find my product. I want to run ads about this product, so I will open it in another tab. Here I see the description of the product and also the price, links, profit margin, and each and everything calculation here. Also the video on the other side, and here is the link, and also like the product video, the engagement, the targeting audience. Here you will see all the details of the product, so you can easily target your right audience. So this is a very good tool, you can use it. You can also copy the ad copy. You also see the interest here, demographics, target audience, and also another blogs. So this product is very good product, and the tool is also very good tool. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. I will upload just tutorials like this to guide you in every step. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.